Welcome back. My name is Kosi Aboshinu, Site Manager for Decimoni Limited. Here we are at the Block 1. Block works at the ground floor level have been done. The first floor slab has been cast at this moment, and we are proceeding with the block works at the first floor level. So just after the block work, we will start with the staging, the decking, and the casting of the roof slab at the roof level. We are at the Block 2. Block work is in progress, and as well we are doing the staging and the decking for the first floor level. Quite an interesting progress at this Block 3. We've been able to cast the ground floor slab of the Block 3, and at this stage we are forming we are doing the formwork for the columns to receive the first floor staging and decking, and later on to follow with the first floor slab. So we are really in progress. Thank you guys for walking through with us. See you next time with another progress update.